Haven't played this game in a while. Well, I'm back with Piggy Rebooted. But anyways, what's up guys? Still been playing Piggy Rebooted. It's been a long time since I've been playing this game, but I heard that they're releasing a new chapter, and I don't know if this chapter is gonna be hard, but whatever. Now, this released chapter 3 and 4. I didn't feel like playing it because I was tired, so yeah, that's my explanation. Alright, there's me and Officer Doggy. I'm going to skip the cutscene because I don't really feel like reading and I can't read too good, so... Oh great, this is going to be a horror game. How great. Okay, unlock that. Going to go get the red key. Ticket. I heard apparently Far's supposed to be here, but whoa, what the heck was that? What the frick is that thing? Okay. No, I'm getting away from that. No, get away from me. What the heck is that thing? I don't know what the heck that is. Okay, I'm confused. Where does this go? It's so annoying. If he's not too fast. Because if he was fast, then that would be a big problem. Okay, that's okay. Okay, I was confused because the bot was chasing me throughout the whole entire game. Okay. Oh crap. Not him again, okay. Okay. He's gone. Now, where are the eggs at? I don't know where the eggs at. Okay. Okay, there's the egg. There's one of the eggs at least. Whoa, okay. I'm confused. Where does the egg go? I can't remember. No, you're not getting me. Oh, okay, upstairs. This is so big, it's really confusing. Okay, okay. Okay, where is the safe? This map is so huge, like it's so hard to see. Okay. Oh god, no. Man, are you kidding me? I'm not doing that again. I don't feel like doing that whole thing entirely again. Okay, hopefully chapter 4 will be better. Because if it's not easy, I'm gonna have to rage quit because I'm getting tired. I'm getting frustrated. So yeah, that's I'm gonna at least try to beat it. Great. Okay, Sheepy's woken up. Okay. Green key card. Oh god, okay, no. No, no, get away from me. Get away from me, okay. Okay. Okay, Sheepy's gone. Okay. Time to cut some grass. Blue key card. Okay. Key code. Ricky. Purple key card. I need the purple key card now because so I can open like the purple key card door. God, I can't talk. God, I can't speak. Anyways, I'm just grab the purple key card. Who's it here? So I'm not talking much. I'm trying to concentrate. Now, red key is in here. Where the heck is Sheepy at? I haven't like seen her in a while. Green cog. Now, green cog goes somewhere around here. Okay, what's up with the camera angles? God, what's wrong with the camera angles? Whatever. Oh, great. Alright, red cog. Okay. God, I can't speak today. Okay, dynamite goes inside the cave. No, not again, not again. Okay, not again. Get away from me. Okay, I made it into the cave. Hurry up! What the? What the heck? What the? Okay, what is that thing? What the heck is that thing? Okay. What the heck is that thing? Okay. Ice block. Okay, I got a head start from it. Wrench. Wrench, okay. Oh god. Oh god. What is that thing? Oh, okay, Sheepy is tired. I think she got knocked out. Okay. Okay, got stuck. Okay. Just calm down. Is the exit? Yes, the exit. Oh, it's close one. Oh god, it's close one. Oh. Hurry up. What's wrong with the camera? Okay, here's the RP mode. And yeah, I lowered the volume so you can hear my voice, because in the chapters I'm not really sure if you can hear my voice or not. Yeah, here we're here in the RP mode, and there's new skins here. Yeah, oh my, okay, so this is what Father looks like. He was the bot that was chasing me in the chapter 3 game. So yeah, I didn't know chapter was gonna be a horror game. But Jesus Christ, he looks terrifying. He has a literal crowbar coming from his arm. Okay. The music is kinda good. Or should I say epic, because when I heard the music I was really bopping my head. I mean, come on, it was a good music. Oh god, the game is bugging out. But anyway, the jump scares okay, just grabs you and violently eats you. Okay. Now the next morpher going to go see is Sheepy. Oh, okay, so she's the one who was chasing me in chapter in a chapter 4 game. Oh, here's Forrest, and oh my god, the game is really buggy. Okay, so she was the one who was chasing us in chapter 4 Forest, and boy, this skin looks kind of cool. I mean, it's kind of basic. It's kind of a basic skin. She has a whole entire redesign. She has a backpack. She has a hammer. But anyway, jump scare. I had to play a jump scare twice because the game bugged out. But anyway, Jesus Christ. She was the one who was chasing me in chapter 4. I didn't get a good look at her, just like father, because I was running away from her. But anyway, morphs, badge morphs. So this is what you get from the badge skin. So apparently Susie and Sheepy are sisters. I don't really know what the real name is. I'm just gonna call her Susie. And boy, the effective version is kinda. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and say it's just the Sheepy mom, but instead they just replaced it with her sister. But anyway, the jump scare. The game is so glitchy I can barely see a jump scare. But anyways, now let's see. We have this. The crystal ant creature. Oh my god, this thing looks terrifying. So this was the thing that was chasing me in the cave. It looks pretty terrifying. I remember when I was running away from this thing, he literally got stuck on the campfire. Literally, I thought he was gonna burn alive, but he's made out of stone and it's going to not get burned by fire. Oh my god, this thing is so broken. But yeah, here's the crystal ant, and this thing looks epic. This looks cool. I'm gonna go ahead and say out loud. The skin looks epic. Wait, can you go into the cave? Oh, you can't go inside the cave. But whatever, this thing looks cool. It has like a bunch of crystals on his body, and yeah, it's gonna go ahead and say this thing looks epic. So what's the She just grabs her claws and just hits you with them. Okay. Now, so I can't speak right now. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was me playing chapter 4 and chapter 3 because I didn't have anything else better to do, and the only reason I'm doing this is because I haven't out video ideas. But yeah. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.